Hey, I am Carol and I'm the designer behind the Daisy Jones website template. I created this template bundle because I believe that it's possible for everyone to have the most amazing website that really sells who you are and your products and services. I've got 30 years experience designing websites, and the one thing that I know that's so important is building a brand from the inside out, something that feels like home. And I know from experience this will quantum leap your income and your clients as well. So let's have a look at what I have created for you. The pages that I have included are 14 essential pages I found. Not only that, each page is strategically created for the most perfect way to bring a client through your journey into selling your offers and obviously selling who you are as a person, because people buy from people. So this site is aimed at really connecting to your clients and showcasing you as the expert you are, and obviously selling your products. So if you come along on the home page, you can then click on all of these pages over here, these links, and they will take you to the actual pages so you can have a look and see what it looks like. Obviously, these the copy and the images can be changed, super easy as well to change them, and the layout is geared to sell. It has everything that a homepage needs to really capture who you are and sell. It's spacious. We can add videos as well that really adds to the look and feel of your brand. It showcases some of the offers that you could have, a one-on-one coaching, for example, a workshop series, or even your sales page. Sales pages are so important, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Here is obviously testimonials, and I've included a way to add videos to that as well, with a big emphasis on getting people to book a discovery call with you. I find that the more people that can do that, the more you can convert those people into soul-aligned dream clients. So we have the homepage, we have the about page, we have a sales page, which I'll chat to you about, we have a single service page, a resource page, a shop page, a blog, and a contact. There are also some bonus pages that I will share with you as well. But the sales page is such a vital part of any homepage, or any website. This is the page that's going to really sell your premium signature offer. So this is geared for that. This copy that I have created, what you can do is literally cut and paste that into ChatGPT or your favorite AI tool, and literally just include your brand words, and then you can update this so easily, making it very simple to update. It has everything that you need to really showcase your signature offer. I also want to share with you some bonus pages as well. We have a opt-in page, which is fantastic for building your database and highlighting something that you can give for free. We also have a links page, which is really amazing, because this is going to be the page that people can see if you include this links in your social media profiles. They get an overview of who you are, and you can obviously add in the links to the various parts of your website, maybe a masterclass you are launching, maybe a discovery call, and that is such an important part as well. We also have a coming soon page, so you can start putting that up already. And I also have a brand guide, a matching brand guide, because this is so important when you're building your brand. It has to have a aligned matching brand essence and brand guide. So here are all of the information. This is all the information that you need for the brand guide. Included with the purchase comes a comprehensive, there are 40 tutorials in 40 plus tutorials that myself and my team have created for you, so that it is so easy for you to then click on the correct video and get started. The videos are short, they're easy to follow. You can obviously DIY your site, or else you can get a VA to do it. You can hire someone else to do that, or else my team are also on standby and we can do that for you at an additional cost. So that is what the Daisy Jones templates bundle is in essence. I love, the most important part of this is that it is so easy to use. It's going to elevate your brand. It's going to make you feel that you are the expert in your field, and it's really going to bring in those higher ticket clients. If you scroll down the page as well, you can see some options on how this can look for your brand. It's so easy to adapt, and obviously a little show, a little video on how easy it is to change as well. And obviously one more thing before I go, there is a standard option, which is the 14 pages, the tutorials, matching brand guide, and obviously you get tech email support. Or else I do have a deluxe option for people that are wanting more of a luxe version. We have the bonus of matching Canva templates, a strategy call with me, a brand clarity workbook that's going to be great for your AI and prompting your AI, website copy and content planner. We have another prompt guide as well. We have a masterclass on how to create your for your photo shoot. And these are great bonuses as well. There is a payment plan, and obviously there is the 20% discount. So if you have the discount code, all you need to do is just add that in at the checkout. These are all the various items in the deluxe option, and obviously some really happy customers as well that have purchased this already. If you need an additional support and add-on, we have that for you. Myself and my team are ready and on standby to get you launched and get you elevated and online. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out. I'd love to support you in building your next level website.